Firstly guys, none of this product is sponsored, none of the brand is sponsored and not even Nykaa is sponsoring, but वैसे भी Nykaa मुझे क्या sponsor करेगा? Yeah, फ़ोन ने भी बोल दिया no. See. So, hi guys, all welcome back to my channel, and all of you who are new to my YouTube channel, hi guys, I'm Shreya Agarwal and I am here to entertain you with my fashion and beauty tips out there. Also guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do, it will mean the absolute world to me. This video is gonna be about my recent purchase from Nykaa, and I know we all love Nykaa and we all love to shop from there because it's a one-stop destination. So yes, that is what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna show you, yes guys, all these products which I'm gonna show you right now are on discount and some of them were very highly priced, but I got on discount, and you can also have it if you'll right now go and shop from Nykaa. So yes guys, without blabbering much, let's get into the video. Now heading to the video, my first purchase will obviously some of the colorful liners, and yes guys, that too in budget. You heard it right, in budget. So these two liners which I'm going to show you are from Lakme. The first one is this green color liner, and the second one is a blue color which I have already used today, and I am loving these liners. Firstly, they are in budget. I guess they were just for 100 rupees or something, and yeah, yes guys, they were just for 117 rupees, 117 guys. What do you want? Even the tub you get is of such good quantity that I am loving it, and the brush also I'll show you, it's that amazing. See, such pretty pigment, yaar, such pretty pigment. I am loving it. This is the second one, it's the green color. Can you see guys how pretty they are? Like, wow. So my second product in the category is this amazing My Glam Kajal. This Kajal I am just obsessed with, and it's a very good Kajal. It does not budge, it does not smudge, and what else you want, hai na? And one more thing I want to tell about this brand is that this brand is very underrated, I believe, but some of their products are amazing to use. Recently I have collaborated with My Glam. If you follow me on Instagram, you might know about that. So yeah, but this one I have purchased from my own money because I was so indulgent now with this kajal, and this was the one I was earlier using. You can see everything is gone. Also, I'm gonna show you one swipe of it. See, this is just one swipe, so black. Also guys, this kajal retails for 750, but right now on Nykaa there's a discount going on and you will get it just for 600 rupees. Yes guys, isn't it amazing? Also, if you will go and buy this from My Glam using my code, you will definitely get something free with it. So yeah, I am gonna link that as well. Now the third item which I have for you all is this eyeshadow which is in purple color. Actually I really wanted to have this color because I really wanted to create some amazing looks, and this one was also not that pricey. It is from Kiko, if you can see. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you a swipe. This is like a one swipe swatch, and see how pretty the color is. Yeah, I'm loving it. Also I have some like neutral shades of Indian wear, so I really wanted to experiment with this color and make a look out of it. So yeah, this is what I'm going to do whenever I'm going to wear them, and this is the reason I got this one. Also guys, this one retails for 350, but on discount you will only get for 298. Isn't it amazing? If you want to like create some different looks and have some different colors, you'll definitely get on Nykaa. So yeah, I wanted a purple one, so I ordered this, but you can get any of the colors you like. Next purchase from Nykaa is this lip pencil. I genuinely wanted to like buy one because lining your lips is very necessary, because the shape you want from your lips can't be just created by using a lipstick. You need a lip liner for that, and it just gives such a pretty look, guys. You will thank me later if you will apply this technique. Like, always line your lips with a liner and then use a lipstick. It will just change your game of using a lipstick, guys, and trust me on it. Just take any pink or a neutral shade lip liner and then use it with any of your lipsticks, because it will go with all your lipsticks then. So yeah, I would definitely recommend to invest in 1 or 2 lip liners. This one is from Forever 52, and see this, just see this. This is like what you will say, this is the color, and see, such a pretty color, and also the texture is very creamy, very gliding on kind of a texture that you will love, and it's very easy to use. This will definitely go with all kind of lipsticks. Even you can use it with orange ones because it has a hint of peach in it. So yeah, definitely you can go with so many of your lipsticks with just one lip liner. Also guys, don't worry, I'm definitely gonna link all my products below, so you can just check them out and just directly open the link. So yeah, this one I got in the shade F1614, and also this retailed for 375. There wasn't any discount on this one, but yeah, it's amazing and I would definitely recommend you guys to try it once. Next up, I'm gonna show you something which I guess everybody is crazy about, and that is the Huda Beauty Duo, because I love it and I would really recommend you guys, because it's such an easy thing to use that it can just sort your life out. And even for my beginner friends who want to invest in a good luxury brand, they can definitely go for Huda Beauty, and something like this is a win-win situation, because I know everybody is not like a pro kind of a person when it comes to doing your eyes and a lot of creativity. So yeah, this kind of thing will be your savior and best friend for the rest of your life. Yes guys, so what you can do is, like, you have 2 eyeshadows over here. One is a matte and the other one is a shimmery one. So what you can do is, first you can just take a little bit of this thing onto your eyes, like the lid part, and see, this is how it is. I guess you can see, and what you can do is just blend it out. See how creamy it is, that it just blended in seconds. Can you see that? Such a pretty thing. And then what you can do is just top it out with some of this shimmery shade. I'm just gonna first line it for you so that you can see the color, and then I'll smudge it. See, this is how the color of the liner is. It's a very sunsetty color and I love this shade a lot. And now I'm just gonna blend it on top of the eyeshadow, the matte one, and see guys, such a pretty color. See yaar, I'm so loving it. And guys, trust me, you should definitely invest in such kind of products, because firstly the shimmer side has a very thin brush, so that you can use it as an eyeliner. But if you don't want to use it as an eyeliner and just do some shimmery looks, so definitely you can just top your eyeshadows with it. So yeah, like, I have created 2 looks in seconds in front of you guys only. So just imagine how many more looks you guys can create. Even you can use it as an inner corner thing as well. Also guys, this product retails for 1995, that is around 2000, but on discount I just got it for 1397 rupees. Can you believe it? And this thing is a good add-on to your vanity. Now let me also show you some of my skincare products which I have ordered, because it's not just about doing makeup, but sometimes you need some of the skincare as well. So yes guys, this one is not skincare, this is a hair care product. It's a mask from L'Oreal and it's their Absolute Repair one, and I have like recently got my hair colored. If you follow me on Instagram, you would know that I have just recently got my hair colored, and for that purpose I need something to protect my hair and to just minimize was the damage which my hair have gone through because of coloring. My hairstylist suggested me to use this one, and I can seriously see the difference in my hair, because earlier I used to use Vela and it never performed so well for me, but this one actually is performing really good for me. And if you would are like an Instagrammy person, you would see many bloggers also raving about this product, but they are actually doing it for a good purpose, because seriously I too feel it's like creating a really good shine and smoothness onto my hair, and I'm just loving it. And the ingredients which it has are like gold, quinoa and protein, which is like amazing when it comes to your hair. And yeah, I would definitely recommend you guys, if you have like a very damaged kind of a texture and your hair are very dry, and of course if you have your hair colored, then definitely go for this golden one. It's amazing, trust me on that. So guys, this one retails for 820. Right now there is no discount, but definitely Nykaa has like amazing discounts going on, so yeah, maybe you can get it on discount. But for 850 also I don't mind spending so much, because firstly it's not like very expensive, and secondly for hair you should invest in a good product. So yeah, a win-win buy for me. And the second product which I have for you in skincare is this Plum body lotion. This one is such a pretty fragrance, guys, trust me. I love this one, because it, you know, when you just put this cream onto your body, you'll feel like you are putting some strawberry or a cherry smoothie onto yourself, trust me on that. And second part is this, that it's not very oily, and for my babies who love to moisturize their body, then this is a perfect buy for them. Also guys, this product retailed for 475, but on discount I got it just for 400. So yeah, such a big bottle. It has around 250 ml or something, I believe. It's not written over here. Yeah, the net volume of this product is 240 ml, which is amazing. You get such a big bottle for just 400 after discount. So yeah, must try. Not too oily, perfect texture, feels like smoothie onto your body. Or guys, और क्या चाहिए यार, I am तो loving this product. And the flavor which I am using, it isn't driving me cherry. So yeah, just try it onto yourself and let me know in the comments if you like it or not. The second last product which I have for you are these amazing mascara by Nykaa. I know these products were launched like some months ago, and I've ordered them at that point itself, but I wasn't able to show you all. So yeah, I thought of sharing this with this small Nykaa haul itself. So yeah, these are like the three kind of eyeliners, mascaras. So the first one I have for you is a super size waterproof volumizing mascara. This one is in that yellow cap. This one is for volumizing basically. Then the second one is this one. It's like a green in color and it says like it long. So this one is also waterproof one, and it's a lengthening mascara. So let's see the applicator for this one. Okay, so yeah, you can see it's like kind of giving me more of that lengthening vibe, because the applicator has a lot of spikes onto it, which will help to coat your lashes very nicely. So yeah, it will give you that lengthening effect. And the last one is this. It's the Curl Power waterproof curling mascara. So yeah, the applicator itself is so curled that definitely it will give you that look, because when you'll apply it onto your lashes, you'll definitely will be like putting it in the curled form itself, because the applicator is such. So I believe it will give you that thing. My final opinion for these Nykaa mascara is this, that the first one, the yellow one, which says it's a volumizing mascara, I would say it does coat your lashes, but it will not give you that volume. It will coat your lashes very nicely. Then I'll talk about the second one, which says it's a curling mascara. This one is my personal favorite because it actually does the job. It actually curls my lashes. But see, I have put this one, so yeah, you can see that it actually curled my lashes. Also, it does coat your lashes as well, so yeah, it's a plus from my side. Then the third one, which is the lengthening mascara, the green one, I would say it does not lengthen it like in a very good way how the Benefit and the Too Faced one perform for me, but for a daily basis and in such an affordable price, I would really recommend. So yeah, I am loving these two a lot. This one is an okayish for me, but these two are good, affordable, cheap, and does the job. So yeah, a plus from my side. Also guys, I want to tell you one more thing, that this mascara is not giving the actual payoff on camera, but in real life they are looking fab and actually have done the job. And the last thing, of course, has to be lashes for me. So yeah, these ones are from PAC, and if you can see, I love lashes. So this one are the silk lashes, and 101 is the number. And yeah, I'll just show you. I have already used them because I went to a wedding and there I have used them. So yeah, but this is how the lashes look like. So pretty, curled, and just give that look which I love a lot. So yeah, there's nothing to say much about them because PAC actually makes very affordable lashes, and they are like very easy to put. Also, they don't feel plasticky. It kind of give me that real lash look. So yeah, I would definitely recommend going for PAC. So yeah, I don't think इसके अलावा कुछ और need है lashes में, and I would highly recommend for PAC. And like in my previous videos also where I have shown PAC lashes, I have always said that PAC is like my ultimate brand when it comes to lashes. So yeah, I don't have any regrets buying PAC at any point of time. So yeah, also guys, these lashes retail for 415, like 400 rupees, but I feel that when you are like taking things for your eyes, go for good brands. Don't try to find cheap brands because it's your eyes after all. You don't need to play with it. So yeah, that's it for the video guys. I hope you like this small tiny haul of mine. If you tend to buy any of these products, do let me know in the comment section below. I would love to read it. Also guys, you all know the drill. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. It will mean the absolute world to me. Till then, bye bye, see ya, love you.